Hello mga Mars! Welcome back to my channel, Karin Scoop Station here. Disclaimer, itong photo and video na inyong mapapanood ay hindi ko po pagmamay-ari at i-credit natin ang owner nito. Without further ado, let's start! Sa main content na broadcast channel ni Maine Mendoza sa Instagram account, nag-post siya ng isang larawan. Isang babae, ito ang founder ng Cebu Restaurant, mga Mars. And i-share din ni Mrs. Atayde na ito ang caterer nila nung kanilang kasal or wedding ng kanyang asawa na si Arjo Atayde noon. Sabi niya dito, saddened to hear about Miss Gaita's passing. She was true icon in the Philippine culinary scene. I had the privilege of meeting her and was fortunate enough to have her cater our wedding. It was on my wedding bucket list as I've always loved Cebu. I actually consider myself the biggest Cebu fan I know. Her passion and exceptional food touched so many lives and will continue to do so. Her legacy will live on in the hearts of those she inspired. Rest in peace, Miss Gaita. Ito si Miss Gaita Forrest ay napapanood ko po ito sa channel ng cable na 174. Syempre, about food, napanood ko sila ni Mateo Guidicelli, yung food crawl. Yun. And then, nag-share pa ng pasta si Maine Mendoza. Ang caption niya dito, having my favorite Boletos pasta from Grace Park. When I tried this dish during our food tasting for the wedding, I just knew it had to be part of our special day. We kept our favorite telefono pasta as one of the reception's main dishes. But this Boletos pasta was served while Arjo and I, along with our families and entourage, were preparing for the ceremony. It was the first dish I had on our wedding day. So, ang gumawa rin ulit nito ay si yung namayapang chef na si Gaita Forrest. And si Ma Salvador naman ay nag-share sa kanyang Instagram story kung saan ay grupo po silang nagwo-workout. Andyan of course si Maha, si Chami, and then si Mrs. Maine Mendoza at Atayde. Yan, sabay-sabay po silang nag-workout. And then si MJ din. Whoa! And then mga Mars, yung shinare ko pala sa inyo na nagpabelo ang ating Mrs. Atayde, yun na pala yung isa sa preparation ng kanyang pagpunta sa red carpet ng The White Lotus sa Thailand, Bangkok. And now, nag-share din siya sa kanyang Instagram story na may picture, yung nag-skateboard na tiga Cebu, yun, kasama niya. And then, second photo ay nasa plane na po ang ating Mrs. Maine Mendoza Atayde. Yun na nga, Bangkok bound dahil mag-a-attend nga siya ng red carpet ng Season 3 ng The White Lotus ng Max. Siya po ang representative na celebrity sa atin, mga Mars. And ano pa ba? Ano pa bang update natin? And nagpa-trim din ang ating Mrs. Atayde sa kanyang favorite na hairstylist, ang kanyang ninang, si Celeste Vieira. Ayun. Looking forward na lang tayo sa mga sunod na isi-share ni Mrs. Maine Mendoza Atayde ang kanyang OOTD para sa kanyang resort attire para sa The White Lotus red carpet. And that's it, mga Mars. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more scoops. Bye!